So next is the important equations. So the first equation that's pretty important is that momentum equals mass times velocity here. Well, this equation will be used with the code, and it's helpful to know with some of the other equations. This second equation that is pretty important is that Fnet is equal to dp over dt, and that dp dt equals dp dt times p hat plus p times dp hat over dt. This is a very important one, so it gives us one in the parallel component and the other in the perpendicular component. Alright, so to the code here, we'll split it halfway, so utilize Windows 8 Magic. Alright, so here we can see how some of the equations were used. This is basic calculus here, just the change in P over the change in T here. This is just finding the change, delta, and then this here is what's important. This is with momentum, we're multiplying the mass times the velocity, which the velocity is given up here. And P hat, which is the position or the direction of the position vector, here is given to be P initial over the magnitude of P initial, which is the basic equation to find like the hat or the direction vector of any vector. Later here we see what I just showed earlier. Fnet parallel is equal to dB dt parallel, so this is just a specific instance of that. And so here are some of the changes. These equations are really important to use with these because we can just plug these equations in and it'll help us find the values.